This might be one of Lenovo's smartest laptops yet, but is it actually worth your money? The Lenovo IdeaPad 5A 2-in-1 Gen 11 is built for people who want one device that does almost everything. Thanks to its 360-degree hinge, you can switch between laptop, tablet, tent, and stand mode. Powering it is the latest AMD Ryzen AI processor with integrated Radeon graphics, designed for faster everyday performance and AI-powered features. It also supports Copilot Plus experiences, making multitasking even smoother. The touchscreen display works with Lenovo's digital pen, making it great for note-taking, sketching, or editing documents. Add Dolby audio speakers, a full HD camera, Wi-Fi, USB-C connectivity, and rapid charging, and you've got a laptop that's ready for work, school, and entertainment. Build quality is another highlight. Lenovo says it's tested to MIL STD 810H durability standards, so it can better handle everyday bumps in travel. But here's the catch. If you're expecting a high-end gaming laptop with a dedicated graphics card, this isn't it. It's designed for productivity, creativity, and everyday use, not serious AAA gaming. So, is it worth buying? If you need a flexible, AI-ready 2-in-1 laptop from a trusted brand, the IdeaPad 5A 2-in-1 looks like a solid choice. And no, it isn't a scam. Just make sure you buy from Lenovo or an authorized seller. Would you use it as a laptop or flip it into a tablet? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews.